What's up, everybody? I'm at the river. Water seems a bit low today, but hopefully that doesn't affect our fishing. Let's get to it. So I just got my Trika 3X 7-foot medium here with 15-pound braid and a 25-pound fluorocarbon leader. I'm gonna start off throwing this little blue fox spinner, but I'll probably end up throwing a swim bait. Let's start with this though. A little bass, it looks like. Yep. Nice little smallmouth on that spinner. It's actually the first time I've used one of these here. Figured I'd try it out. Got this tiny little smallie. Oh, yep, something on there. Ooh, that's not good. There, buddy. Nice. Tiny little pike on the blue fox spinner. You know, these are little guys, maybe, 15 inches, or maybe probably even less, maybe like 12 or something, but it's pretty cool. Got them on the spinner. Got this guy unhooked. Let's get him back in the water. Got something on. Oh, that's a nice pike, you guys. That is a nice pike. A nice pike, you guys. Holy shit. Oh my god. I haven't caught a nice pike in eons, dude. It's not like a giant or anything, but... Oh, he has a lamprey on him. You guys see that? Did you guys see that shit? That is insane. No, you're not getting away, buddy. Oh my god, that's creepy. Oh my god, you guys, this is fucking scary. Okay. I cannot let this lamprey get away. I can't even hold it. Oh my god. There it is, you guys. Nice pike on that spinner. I'm gonna get them unhooked and dip them in the water, let them breathe for a minute before I get any pictures. Alright, you guys. Got this nice pike. It was 27 inches and I think like 3.5 pounds. First decent one that I've gotten on the channel. Had that lamprey on him. I'm gonna show this lamprey off in a second once I release this guy, but really happy to get this nice one. Look at that thing. Kind of suck on me. Look at that creepy thing. So now that I'm looking at it and I looked at some photos, I believe this is actually a native chestnut lamprey. So I'm not gonna kill it. I'm gonna release him. So I was releasing this guy and he's stuck on me and it's really hard to get him off. So not really sure what to do about this. I'll probably have to scrape him off with a rock or something. But I don't feel his teeth, so I don't think he's actually chomped down. I think he's just sucking on me, so. Please get off me. Thank you. Get one last look at this guy. There he goes away. God, that is scary. We got done messing with that pike and that lamprey. Let's get back to fishing. It was a pretty cool catch. It was a nice pike. I haven't gotten a nice fish in here in a while. That and that lamprey was the first one I've ever caught, so that was pretty sweet. I didn't even know they lived in this place. I'm also glad that it wasn't a sea lamprey, because then I would have had to cut its head off. And I don't really want to do that. I just lost that spinner to a tree, so I'm going to try this little white grub on a 1/4 ounce jig head. Should work out pretty well. Got a fish, you guys. Seems like a decent one. He is in the current though, so doesn't full drag yet. Looks like a bass, I think. A smallmouth. Yeah, he's not a big one by any means, but it's a fish on the white grub. Little one. Let's get him back. See you, buddy. That's gonna be it for the video today, you guys. I hope you enjoyed. Stay tuned for more content coming from us very soon. See you guys in the next one.